Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, I mean, an eventful day, don't get me wrong, but from more so than just the general charting perspective, not a whole lot happened. The price is now stuck between a couple of lines that I've talked about in past videos, which if you have watched any past videos, that should, serve as a reminder. But perhaps this is the first video you're watching, so really not a whole lot going on, again, from the bigger picture point of view. I get it within the context of today. Sure, there's a lot going on. There's a breakout to the upside, and then the price pulled back. But all of this was happening within the confines of, in technical jargon, as far as patterns are concerned, a sideways channel pattern. And that is what I really want to focus on here, just because from an overall perspective, there's not much else to say until something happens. And that brings up the question, okay, well, what do you mean by something happens? Those are just words. And that's why I love charting, because they allow you to take words and then assign, and quantify them. So one potential is that the bears went out and, there's a breakdown to the downside through that green line. And that green line and the key level of support to continue to watch going forward, right there at 45.50. So 45.50 remains that key level of support, which so far so good, to give credit where credit's due. The price got down around that area this morning and ultimately held very nicely to the upside. So good to see that 45.50. There's still plenty of buyers down around that area. But nonetheless, like I said, from a trading standpoint and a technical chart standpoint, that would be considered a breakdown if the price were to go down to that area. Now, something else that could happen that would be worthwhile is maybe the price recovers back upwards and then gets a break through there. So in technical jargon, known as a breakout. So the top part of that channel resistance right up there at the $50 mark. So continue to watch that going forward. But all in all, really not much else to be said other than 30-minute time frame, sideways channel pattern, top of the channel resistance $50, bottom of the channel support 45.50. So let's see how this continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.